Wait, did you know your PC might be slowing itself down right now? Even when you're not running anything, there are hidden apps in the background quietly using your CPU and eating up your RAM. And yeah, that's exactly why your system struggles in games or just can't keep up with everyday tasks. So, if you want your system running at full power, you need to fix this. You might think, I'll just end the task and that's it. First of all, you shouldn't end every task. You might accidentally close a Windows service and actually mess up your system. Second, this doesn't always work. Ending a task doesn't really fix the problem. You're not actually stopping the app or the service, you're basically just giving it a few seconds off and it comes right back. Alright, let's jump in and I'll show you. First, open up Task Manager. And here, you'll see a bunch of apps and services running in the background. Now, click on CPU to sort everything by usage, so the most demanding processes show up at the top. For example, right here, we've got OBS running since I'm recording this screen for you. But then, there's always something else, something you don't recognize. And yeah, most people have seen this before. So, what is this? This is actually a Windows service. It scans and indexes your files so you can search faster. To be fair, it's not a bad service. It can be useful. But for the amount of resources it uses, it's just not worth it. So, should I just end the task? Alright, let's do it. I'll end it and wait a few seconds. And yup, there it is again. It just started itself back up. And this can happen with a lot of apps and services. Alright, let's turn this off together. Go to Settings and search for Indexing Options. Once you're in, you'll see that it's actively analyzing your files. Now, if you hit pause, nothing really changes long-term. So instead, click on Modify. And here, you can control exactly which locations are being indexed. Just remove the folders you don't need. And that's it. Just like that, it's basically disabled. All right, now let's go back to Task Manager and check if it's gone. And yeah, it's gone. So that's exactly what I wanted to show you in this video. You can use Task Manager to find these processes, but you can't really fix them from there. You have to go in manually and disable or remove them yourself. Also, take a look at Google Chrome. It's not just one app, it runs multiple processes in the background. And yeah, it can slow your system down more than you think. So always keep an eye on Chrome. There's one more thing. You've probably seen this in Task Manager too. And ending the task won't get rid of it. It's called Microsoft Edge Web View. Now, this could be related to Microsoft Edge itself or any other app that's using this service in the background. So, what's the best way to fix it? Go to your installed apps, find Microsoft Edge, and run a repair. In most cases, this fixes the issue. Now, if you really want to understand what a process is, let's say I get suspicious about this service and I want to disable it. The first thing I do is go to its file location and check where it's coming from. If I see that it's inside a system folder, that's a red flag. That usually means this is something Windows actually depends on. And yeah, at that point, you don't want to mess with it, because if you do, you might break something in your system. And if you ever run into a process that you can't end, just join my Telegram or Discord. Links are in the description, and ask me there. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. And if this helped you, take a second to like and subscribe. Trust me, you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next.